Hi everybody, I'm Erkin Erman and I'm studying mechanical engineering at Bilkent University. I'm going to demonstrate my Phys102 final lab project to you today. The purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate the variation in the magnitude of the attractive or repulsive forces exerted by magnets as a function of the distance between them. In order to conduct this experiment, I used one sensitive digital scale, two identical magnets, and one ruler. Let's take a look at the steps for this experiment. Firstly, one of the identical magnets is placed on a precision balance and its mass is measured, and this value is recorded. Subsequently, the second magnet is brought closer to the magnet on the scale at specific distances in a position to repel other magnets, and the values on the scale are recorded. After recording the values on the balance for different distances, the weight difference, which is the final value minus the magnet's weights, is determined. The value obtained from the weight change is multiplied by the gravitational acceleration to express it in terms of force, and the resulting value is the magnetic force. A magnetic force versus distance graph is plotted, as well as distance versus change in a mass graph. Then the error rate is calculated using the theoretical value from the formula and the data obtained in the experiment. In conclusion, in this experiment, we used Newton's first law to convert the measured values as changes in mass into force units. By doing so, we measured the variation in the magnetic force between magnets as a function of distance. We observed that the magnitude of the slope of the graph decreases as the distance increases. Even when the error rate is taken into account, obtaining a graph parallel to the 1 over x squared curve is an indicator that the experiment has achieved its goal. In the laboratory environment, when all these minor errors are combined, a final error rate of 22.5% has been obtained. There are some reasons underlying the attainment of a proportionality high error, such as, firstly, the scale not showing a constant value due to being affected by the magnetic field generated by the magnet. And secondly, error occurring due to the rule used for measuring the distance not displaying more precise distance units. And thirdly, deviations occurring during the measurement due to the hand sensitivity of the person conducting the experiment.